This is the CMC Connect Volatility Report. Yesterday's conclusion of the latest FOMC meeting saw the idea of a quick rate cut being dismissed, a move that served to knock sentiment for US stocks. The small cap Russell 2000 index was a standout for the asset class, selling off by as much as 3% at one point during the session. One-day vol stood at 32.17% against 21.61% for the month, whilst the Nasdaq also saw elevated levels of price movement with one-day vol of 18.67% and a one-month reading of 13.99%. Renewable energy stocks have been notably struggling against the backdrop of high interest rates, so perhaps it's no surprise that this cohort also balked at the Fed's news yesterday. CMC's proprietary basket of renewable energy stocks slipped heading into the close, resuming a downtrend which had been building since the end of late last year. One-day vol stood at 85.88% against 55.87% for the month. A weaker than expected ADP payroll print served to knock the dollar early in yesterday's session before that FOMC news reversed some of the losses. Dollar-yen was the most active currency trade, dropping by almost two big figures before recovering around half of that. One-day vol stood at 13.4% against 9.12% for the month. And oil distillate prices continue to show outsized levels of price movement, with gasoline remaining the most active. Underlying prices retreated by up to 4% on Wednesday, driving one-day vol to 43.63% against 34.12% for the month.